Hey everyone, in this video, let's review the different bots that you have access to in Sintra. In order to do so, here we are at app.sintra.ai. And as you can see, we're logged in and we're on the homepage. And from here, you can already see the different AI employees that you have access to with Sintra. And I really can't say enough good about what Sintra is doing. Each of these AI employees is worth it on its own. I mean, if you had just one website that focused on one of these categories, you could still just get so much value out of it. But you have 12 different assistants that you have access to with Sintra, and each of them is just amazing. So let's just do a quick overview of our different AI employee bots and see what it is that they can do for you and your business. So we have Buddy in business development. We have Cassie in customer support, Comet in e-commerce, Dexter, our data analyst, Emmy, our email marketer, Gigi, personal development, Millie, sales manager, Pen, copywriter, Scouty, recruiter, Xiaomi, SEO specialist, Soshi, social media manager, and Vizzy, our virtual assistant. And again, all of these are incredible. Let's just go ahead and go through each of them so that we have an idea of what to expect. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Buddy here first. And all of the different AI employee bots that you have access to, you're going to see a similar screen here. You've got your chat in the main area here. You can attach, if we click on that, then that's going to bring up whatever attachments you might want to bring into your conversation for context. We have helpful suggestions here if you want to start a conversation. So identify potential partnership opportunities, create a targeted marketing strategy, optimize revenue generation channels. If you click on any of these, that's automatically going to show up in the chat here, and we can just hit send on that. And now Buddy is hard at work answering our question. If we want to start a new chat, we can click on here up in the this settings cog here. If we click on that, then you're going to get this menu that's going to come up, and these are different ways that you can dial in the style of the different bots. And so you have this slider bar here, and you can slide that, and you can change the way that the bot speaks to you and also presents its information. So if you want that vibe to be strictly professional, keep it official, business casual, friendly and relaxed, or super chill, all of those you can do. You can change the length of the messages that you get from your bots. So if we want it to be short or medium or long, we can do that. I have that to long just because I want to try to get as much information as possible. You could specify the kind of language that it uses, whether it's going to be basic, casual, or expert. These are all kind of tied in together. And you can see that we can also specify that we want the bot to always search Google. So that's going to help to make sure that you're getting as specific information as possible. You can even say here whether or not you want to copy your writing style. If that's important to you, you can toggle that on. And at the bottom, we have custom instructions. And so if there's anything specific that you want Buddy to know or any of your bots to know, then you can just put that in there. And all of this information just goes into your bots being able to understand you and your business that much better and provide information to help your business grow. So we have our history here, our different chats. We have our power-ups. If we click on here, then you'll see that we can come to our power-up menu, and we have a lot of incredible options that are available with each bot. Their power-ups are really going to help you with so many different things here. We have a marketing strategy generator, a newsletter strategy, target audience analyzer, business idea generator, brand generator, competitor and analyzer, product launcher, investor updates email writer, meeting notes generator. I mean, this is some incredible stuff here. So let's just continue on. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go here to this section that says power-ups. And the reason being is because we can actually see each of the individual bots here and the various power-ups that you have available to them. Vizzy, You have image generation with Sintra. If you want to generate images for your social media posts, you can do that. You can remove background. I mean, that's a tool that doesn't necessarily need to be here, but it's here and you can use it. You can upscale your images. You can do a trip planner, a birthday organizer, financial reporter. Buddy, you've got the marketing strategy generator, the different ones that we've already seen through here. Cassie with customer support. We have a support report creator, customer chat responder, an FAQ generator, a product manual generator, comment responder, customer email responder, comment landing page writer, product description writer, customer testimonial, margin calculator, Shopify store analyzer, winning product finder, product page optimizer, website translator, with Dexter, balance sheet generator, profit loss calculator, sales forecaster, ROI calculator, Emmy, our email marketer, abandoned cart email generator, welcome flow email generator, email calendar generator, pop-up text generator, content email generator, win back flow email generator, post-purchase flow email generator, campaign email generator, Gigi, a meal planner. Come on, like that doesn't even need to be here. That's incredible that they have something like that here. A schedule creator, a workout planner, a study helper. If you need help with your sales, we have cold calling. We can write scripts. Sintra can write scripts for your cold calls. Cold email generator, follow-up email generator, incentive plan generator, sales contract generator, closing call script writer, discovery call script writer, negotiation advisor. Get guidance on negotiating certain deals. I mean, that's incredible stuff. Email list builder, proposal builder, Pen, our copywriter. We can change the tone and format of your writing with the tone changer. If you have to write a letter and you want to make sure that the tone comes across right, Pen will help you with that. Email newsletter writer, Facebook ads writer, email generator, Facebook post writer, video ad script writer, blog post writer, advertorial writer, VSL writer. All of this is just some amazing, amazing stuff for your business and can really help your business reach the next level. Scouty, the recruiter, LinkedIn outreacher, employee onboard, interview planner. If you want to plan an efficient interview for a potential candidate, that's incredible. Job description writer, email outreach sender, resume screener. We have SEO blog writer, SEO auditor, and Sochi, our social medias manager, will help you create posts for LinkedIn, for X, for TikTok, for YouTube. There's a marketing buddy. Ask marketing related questions and get detailed answers. Social media strategy. Create a calendar to stay consistent with your online presence. Viral trend finder. Find new winning viral trends in a specific industry. So whatever your business is, whatever industry, that's going to help you find out where the viral trends are. Reels scriptwriter. Create a script for your brand's next viral reel. I hope you can see the potential with all of this because it really is quite phenomenal. And each of these assistants provides insight into a different category and different subcategories. And you could really spend some time here with Sintra, just dialing it in, getting a lot of the details, connecting your different accounts. And all of that is going to feed into Sintra, and it's going to allow you to be able to take your business to the next level. And quite honestly, I can't say enough good about Sintra. We're very proud to be partnering with them. There is in the description a link, and if you click on that, you would be helping us out, and we would certainly appreciate that. And I cannot say enough good about Sintra. I would highly recommend it. Furthermore, we also have here, if you click on this link, then you could see that you can actually give and get 1 month free of Sintra when you sign up. So if you know somebody that you think is going to be able to take advantage of Sintra, then you can copy this code, send that to them, and you can both get a month free of Sintra. And all you have to do is just take that code, use the code at checkout, and you'll both get rewarded with 1 free month extra. So if you want to take that code there and do that, then you can, and we would certainly appreciate it. And that's all there is to it. That is the general overview of the different bots for Sintra. And again, can't recommend it enough. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.